Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the light absorption. The concentration of hemoglobin is measured by absorption spectrophotometry. After conversion of hemoglobin to cyto, there is the cyan meth hemoglobin, and some analyzers use the peroxidase cytochemistry to classify the leukocytes. Electrical conductivity, some analyzers use the conductivity of high frequency current to determine physical and the chemical composition of leukocytes for their classification. There are some parameters measured: RBC count, hemoglobin, mean cell volume, and there are the mean cell hemoglobin, mean cell hemoglobin concentration, WBC count, WBC differential, platelet count, red cell distribution with reticulocytes count. There are the major parameter. Reticulocytes, hemoglobin content, mean platelet volume, platelet distribution width, there are the reticulated platelets, HB estimation. HB is measured automatically by a modification of the manual cyanide method. To reduce the toxicity of the cyanide, some system replace it by a non-toxic material, sodium lauryl sulfate. Next is the RBC count. The RBC are counted automatically by two methods. They are the aperture impedance, where cells are the counted as they pass in a stream through an aperture, or by light scattering technology. The precision of an electronic counting for RBC is much better than the manual count, and it is available in a fraction of time. This made the use of RBC indices of the more clinical relevance. Next is the red cell count and volume. Red cell count and volumes are directly measured by aperture impedance or light scatter analysis. In a red cell histogram, cell number are plotted on y-axis, white cell volume on x-axis. Analyzer count those cells with volume of 36 FL and 360 FL. MCV is used for anemia classification in macrocytic and the normocytic types. There next is the parameter measured through calculations. Mean cell hemoglobin is equal to the hemoglobin by red cell count. Mean cell hemoglobin concentration, that is equal to the hemoglobin by hematocrit percentage. There are the hematocrit percentage is equal to the mean cell volume by red cell count. So there are the parameter measured through calculations. Parameters measured from the histogram. RBC count, mean cell volume, red cell distribution with hemoglobin, reticulocytes count, WBC count, differential WBC count, platelet count. In today's class, I discuss about the light absorption, their parameter measures for RBC count, HB estimation, and the red cell count and volume parameter measured through calculation. Thank you.